Are you selling on Zazzle? If you're making any of these 5 mistakes, you're leaving money on the table, especially number 5. So stick around, because changing them could change your results completely. Hey, I'm Trevor. I opened my first Zazzle account over 4 years ago as part of my print-on-demand business. In this video, I will show you the 5 mistakes to avoid so you can start seeing better results faster. Mistake number 1 is not completing your store to 100%. When you open a new store on Zazzle, you will find a list of things you need to do on the homepage, such as uploading a logo, a banner, create collections, etc. Here's a new store I created a few months ago without everything completed yet, and the store completion is at 65%. An incomplete store hurts your Z rank, which is Zazzle's internal ranking system. Right above the store completion, you will see the Z rank on my new store is at 6. According to the Zazzle Help Center, Z rank is ranged from 1 to 10. The closer to 10, the better. It is a quick way to see how your store and your products are doing on the Zazzle platform. Here's my first store with 100% completion, and the Z rank is at 9. My products are getting more visibilities, and that leads to getting more regular sales for this store. Mistake number 2 is not creating designs to be personalized templates. To buyers, Zazzle is known for customizable designs on their products. Buyers on Zazzle has the ability to upload their own images on a product. And besides swapping images, they can also edit the text, only if us, the designers, have enabled the personalized template features for our customers. Click on Add Your Design to open the design tool. Then use the text tool to add a text on the product. Pick a font that's suitable for your design, and once you are settled with it, on the right-hand side, scroll all the way down until you see Make this a template object. Switch it on, scroll down, give it a label of your liking, and that's it. For image templates, go to Upload and open an image onto the product. Go to Layers on the left, and drag and drop the text layers on top of the image for it to show up again. Once the text is repositioned, highlight the image again. On the right hand side, scroll all the way down until you see Make this a template object. Switch it on, scroll down, rename the label. Scroll down more and you have an option to force customers to replace with their own image or not. Click Done at the top to go back to the product page, and you will see the personalized template feature is on and ready to go. So definitely take advantage of Zazzle's personalized features to get more sales for your designs and your products. Mistake number 3 is not using all 10 tags for your designs. On any product page, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will find all the tags being used for that design. And this one have 4, but we can add up to 10 for each design. So I highly suggest you fill up all 10 tags if you can, just like this listing, because each tag has a potential for your customers to find your products. When you see tags have become clickable links, that means they are indexed on the Zazzle platform. So if you click on one, you will be sent to a product page specifically under that tag, and that just increases the chances of your product being found if you are using that tag as well. So if you click the Sell It button, you will find the tag section on the next page while filling up other information to sell your new design. Really try your best to fill up all 10 tags if you can. However, there are rules for taggings, so make sure you use the Zazzle Help Center and spend some time to learn about the do's and don'ts when creating your tags. Whenever you can, go back to your existing listing and update their tags. Mistake number 4 is not promoting your designs outside Zazzle. Even though Zazzle will promote your designs and products on their own, which has been very nice, it is even better to promote them on your own on the platforms such as Pinterest, Instagram, X, Facebook, or even TikTok if you know how to grab interest from their audience. Besides promoting on those social media websites, you can also consider running some paid ads on Facebook or Google if you have some budget you are willing to spend in order to increase the exposure on the internet. Mistake number 5 is not enrolling to Zazzle's associate program, which is now called the Zazzle Ambassador Program. The Ambassador Program is available for all sellers when you open a Zazzle account. It allows you to earn additional referral commission from 35 to 50% if you promote your own products simply by sharing them via email, social, or link, which is very simple. You can also earn 15% commission by promoting other Zazzle product that's not your own, which is wonderful to have more options to earn more money on this website. And this program is completely free to sign up. All you need to do is click the Enroll button at the bottom of the page. Getting referral commission is certainly one of my favorite things about selling on Zazzle. I would like to share with you one of my recent sales that I got a referral commission for, which is this one. You can see they are the same link for the product on the same day. A customer bought 2 copies of this product that landed me a royalty of $1.15, which was my original earning for the sale. But when I go check the referral commission for the same sale, I got an additional $4.35 simply by sharing my products on social media sites. If you are not taking advantage of enrolling to the Zazzle Ambassador Program, which is completely free, you are definitely leaving money on the table. Let's have a quick recap of all 5 mistakes. Mistake number 1 is not completing your store to 100%. Mistake number 2 is not creating designs to be personalized templates. Mistake number 3 is not using all 10 tags for your design. Mistake number 4 is not promoting your designs outside Zazzle on your own. And mistake number 5 is not enrolling to the Zazzle Ambassador Program for Referral Commission. So which mistakes are you fixing first? Drop a comment below. And don't forget number 5 is free money. Find this video helpful, give it a like and I appreciate it. Also subscribe if you haven't already and turn on the bell so you'll be notified when there's new updates on this channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.